Today we're going to read a story called Farm Animals. Here are some words to know: cow, chicken, duck, horse, goat, sheep, pig. Let's get started. Some animals live on farms. This boy is feeding some farm animals. He helps take care of them. I can see him feeding them grass. What animal is that? It's a goat. These girls live on a farm too. They help take care of the lambs. Look at those little lambs. These are some farm animals with their babies. What are their names? Horse, foal, chicken, chick, duck, duckling, sheep, lamb, pig, piglet, cow, calf, goat, kid. Many horses live on farms. People like to ride horses. This girl is riding a horse. A foal is a baby horse. This foal is drinking its mother's milk. A foal eats grass too. A lamb is a baby sheep. This lamb is drinking milk. A lamb eats grass too. Lambs and sheep have wool coats. The wool is used to make clothes for you and me. Wool coat. The wool coat is off. This boy's hat and scarf are made of wool. Cows, goats, and chickens give us food to eat. We get eggs from chickens. We get milk from cows and goats. Cheese and butter are made from milk. Talk like an animal. Which animal talks like this? Moo. You got it. It's a cow. Oink, oink, oink. Yep, pig. Ba. You got it. A sheep or a lamb. Quack, quack, quack. Yes, a duck or a duckling. Nee. You got it. It's a horse. Can you touch your nose the way this cow can? This cow says no. Oh my goodness. Did you enjoy that book? It was a great book about farm animals. Maybe you could think about some more animals that live on the farm.